Hi everyone, it's Cristhian Alonzo from Century 21 Perdomo. Come and join me on this tour of this ocean view villa close to the center of Sosua. As you step inside, you will notice we are on the second level of the house. Here is the living room that overlooks the ocean through these large windows. To the left, we have 3 secondary bedrooms with their own ensuite bathroom. Going back this way, we have the master bedroom. With sliding doors that open up to the balcony overlooking the ocean and infinity pool. Going downstairs, we have the other living room. Back there, we have a small office space. The dining table fits up to 8 people. The kitchen has a breakfast bar and the countertop is made out of granite. Here we have the guest bedroom, also with an ensuite bathroom. Going outside, we have a large terrace with a mini pool table, a bigger dining table, and a barbecue, all overlooking the infinity pool and jacuzzi. If you would like to purchase this villa, the contact information is right here.